Welcome back to Slow It Down Sunday, your mat Pilates sessions with J. Marie. Today, we're going to do like a lazy girl Pilates session. We're going to do a lot of laying on our sides, taking the next 10 minutes. No equipment is needed. So get out your mat and let's get into it. First things first, we're going to begin with a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Bend over, touch your toes. And bring it right back up. And exhale down, all the way down. Reach for your feet. Nice, nice, nice. And inhale up. And exhale down. Let's take it open. Ooh. And exhale down all the way to the middle. Inhale up. And exhale down over to the right. And inhale up. Exhale down over to the left. And give me a nice big circle. Push. All the way around. Squeeze your core. And switch sides. All the way around. Squeeze your core. And push it all the way up. And bring it right back down. Reach for your mat. Let's slide on into it. We're starting off with clamshells. You want to place your top hand up on your hip. You want to stack your shoulders over your elbow. You're going to go ahead and push that leg open. 2, 3. That's a nice slow burn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to push up and out. I'm going to bring it up and down. Right there. 2, 3. Point that toe. 4, 5, 6. Make sure that shoulder stays stacked. 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it right back down. And open, close. Nice 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Open and close. Open and close. Nice work. Bring it all the way through. Just breathe. We have 3 more. And push for the sky. And we're going to bring it up and down. Really challenging those abductors. 3, 4. Point that toe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's go ahead, switch to the other side. Just bring it open and close. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really focus and making sure that shoulder is over your wrist. Point that toe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it right back down. And push open and close. 2, 3. Really squeeze that core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring it right back to the top. Stack that shoulder first, extend that leg, and bring it up. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, feel the burn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring it right back down. We're lying flat on our back. And we're pushing our toes in and down. Keep that head pushed up. Really feel this in your core. Point those toes and push those hips up. Exhale on every one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're just going to leave one down on the ground. Relax that neck. And we're bringing it out and in. Out and in. Really squeeze your core. Focus on that hip flexor. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Push it out. Bring it right back in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring both knees back up. Lift up that head and dip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Bring that left leg down and push it out. Bring it in. Push it out. Bring it in. Nice work. Really focus on that squeeze here. 4. Nice work. Give me 3, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and switch sides. Push it out and bring it in to a 90-degree angle. Bring it in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The bee think I'm a flower. 6, 9, 10. And last time, we're going to bring it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring it to a nice upright position. And we're going to do a big inhale. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Push that right leg out to the side. And bring it right back to the other side. And bring it right back to crisscross. Do a big inhale. And exhale down. Great job on completing your Slow It Down Sunday Lazy Girl edition. Let me know in the comments, do you want more Lazy Girl workouts? If so, did you also feel the burn? Because I know those squeezes for our abductors really got me. Anyways, let me know down below, girl. See you on the next Slow It Down Sunday next Sunday. Don't forget your mat. Bye.